memories. I think I'm gonna try these for my hair today. We'll see. I have only used them a handful of times, so who knows. In my bangs, I don't know how they're gonna turn out. Say good morning. Oh no. Alright, we'll fix it later. Okay. We're gonna go with that for now. It's only 8:03 right now. My husband's gonna get off at work at like noonish. And then we'll leave to head to his parents' house. It's about a little over a 2-hour drive.
Mom?
Yes, baby.
You know when we're home for... Where's Dad?
He went to work for a little bit. And he'll be home after a while, and we're gonna go to Mimo and People's.
Yes.
Oh my god. Guys. Okay. Fighting kids. Days.
Mom, you're supposed to keep it aiming at me.
Why?
Well, because I like aiming it at me. Yay! Yay! I want some.
Marley, you've got 2 drinks already.
Aiming at me now? I'll put it down and keep it aiming at me the whole time. Right about here. Look at that.
What are you going to talk about? Are you done with this or you want any more?
This is my sister, and her name is Miley, and over there is my mom.
Heyo!
That's my sister.
Where are we going today?
We're going to meet people today, so we're going to have a sleepover, probably outside.
The hell? Who's sleeping outside? It's like 20 degrees out, bro.
Yeet!
What are we doing at Meemaw People's? What are we celebrating?
Well, we're going to open presents
For what?
to play with.
But what are the presents for?
To open
What holiday?
a Christmas holiday, dork. You know.
Who comes on Christmas?
Santa.
But have you been a good boy?
Yes.
I guess we'll have to wait and see what Santa thinks.
Do it.
Can you see me?
I can see you just fine.
Buddy.
I can see you too.
Okay, what do we want to eat for breakfast?
Waffles! Waffles, waffles, waffles!
I don't even know if we have any more waffle mix, actually.
We can use pancake mix to do that.
Not for waffles.
And we should just do pancakes instead.
Waffle mix night.
Fine, then let's do waffles. No, not waffles, I mean pancakes.
Pancake mix, bowl. Sprinkle pancake mix into bowl.
Mom, don't say any more words.
Oh. Careful your splatter everywhere. Get all the lumps out.
What?
Get all the lumps out.
Mom, you're splattering it in my eyes.
No, I'm not.
Give me some. Give me some. Give me some. Give me some. Give me some.
She got more. Here you go. Okay. Chocolate chip pancake mix. Opening the calendars for today.
Is this one mine?
I don't know.
Well, just look on the top and bottom.
No, this one is because you opened the wrong days yesterday. Open this.
See it.
Boring.
Now I have two Buddha.
Hang on. Mommy got yours opened. You got red or orange, whatever color this is.
I eat a little bit more pancakes. Now.
Burr.
Take a muffin, give me so I can wear them.
Out now because it's driving me crazy. she big. Yeah, we're gonna have to fix these somehow. Yeah, I just gotta figure out what to do with my bangs now because you can see me? No. Oh. I can see Mommy. Oh. Okay. What do we think? See, like that, it's better. Too curly, too curly. Marley! This is the cutest Christmas sweater I've ever seen. Okay, the front, ho ho ho. Can you see it? Merry Christmas. Is that not so cute, sissy? Obsessed. So comfy too. It's like thick and soft. I got this from like a local Christmas craft fair, like a boutique that was there. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to link it or find it. Okay, here is a close-up of the makeup. No mascara because ain't nobody got time for that. Also, don't mind the lizard. Oh, he's not even out. He's sleeping.
I'm not punching him. I'm holding
We are on the road.
I'm holding on the white thing.
Maverick, where are we going?
To meet people.
What for?
To open my new toy.
Who said they got you any toys?
They got me one from a store.
How do you know?
I know.
I don't think so. Because I told them you've been a bad boy this year. So I don't think they got you anything. We're getting lunch.
Are we though?
We're attempting to get lunch. I know the sun.
Kinda wish I'd set my balls on a beehive. That would be more enjoyable than sitting in this drive-through.
Be with you and me together.
Why not?
You want him to go walking around saying that?
I don't give a shit what he said.
Boys are nasty. Ow.
You.
Nuggets, fries.
Let me eat it.
Marley.
Go, open that up.
I ain't opened it.
That's disturbing though that it's in that box. It's so fragile.
Yeah, a little bit.
It really shouldn't be fragile. It should be able to...
I would hope it's not. If it is.
What's in it? It's a little fragile. Potentially, but...
You got a box.
Now you need to open the box.
What?
Now you need to open the box. Watch your fingers.
How do you open it?
Just open the flaps.
What is it?
I don't know. We have to open it and see.
Oh, my goodness, that thing's huge. What is it?
What is that?
What do you think that's for?
What is that?
A helmet.
What's that for?
What do you wear that with?
What do you wear helmets for?
When you ride stuff? Right?
Yes.
Do you want to take a walk out in the garage and see what you're going to wear that helmet with?
No.
No? Okay. Okay.
Come here, buddy.
Whoa, what's
Here.
all that? And you got goggles?
I want to put it on. That goes on here. I'll show you in a second. Put this on.
No.
Do you want to go see what that goes with, Maverick? Follow people out in the garage.
He's so cute.
Follow people out in the garage.
Here, let me see. Put it on real quick.
Let's
Come
go to
here.
the garage and maybe we can find out what you're going to use it for.
Come on.
Here, put this
We'll
on.
figure It's it a out.
Spider-Man
mystery.
That is cool.
You gotta
Spider-Man
figure it
helmet.
out.
Oh my gosh.
Hey,
Oh,
you have
yeah.
to put these on first.
I
Need to
get
go put it on second over the helmet, I think.
Yeah.
Look.
Nice.
Oh.
Do it.
Okay?
Right in his eyeballs.
I got it. Hold
Alright.
on. Hold
Might have to loosen him.
Oh, yeah.
Dude.
You got books?
That's awesome.
You look
dude.
sweet.
That's
That's awesome. Maverick, look here.
I don't.
Maverick.
Yeah,
you look awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah? Here.
What did they go with?
Why
Well,
don't you come on?
I don't
let's
know.
go find out what it
Let's
goes
go
with.
find
Come
out
on.
what it goes with. Look over there.
What is that?
Oh
Right
my
in front of you,
gosh.
Maverick. What is that?
What is that?
And who's? What size is that four-wheeler for? You think that four-wheeler is for you?
Yes.
You think so? Is that pretty cool?
Come on.
Is
Get
that
on
pretty
there.
cool?
Climb on it. Get on there.
Get up on there.
Get on there.
You're
Here,
okay.
I'll help you. Careful.
That is just for you, Maverick. You have your own four-wheeler now, so you can ride next to people when
Yeah,
you
so
try to get it.
we get the other four-wheeler out, then you can ride. We can go riding.
Does that sound like fun?
We can make a track out there in the field so you can.
Yeah.
Yeah, but how do I get this thing off?
Go.
You can leave it on there.
Really, that's what you're
It's off
concerned
really
about.
just like that. Okay?
You want to sit on it? Get on there.
I need my shoes.
Yeah, I need your
Get
shoes.
your shoes on. Where are they?
Okay. Yeah, I'm super excited for you, buddy. This will be so much fun. You
Can you get your
on
fingers in there?
four-wheeler when people rides on his. That's gonna be so cool.
We need to put these up, but we have to get covering.
Yeah, but they're good. They don't
They're
need
good.
pumped up right now. They don't need pumped
They're all
up right
pumped
now.
up.
Yep. There you go. See, they're all good. Okay.
You want to get on there? Hop on, dude.
That's worth the bag of clothes.
Yeah, check it out.
Didn't
You
want
go
it to
here.
go
There
too
you
crazy.
go. There you go. Good job. Good job.
I'm ready.
Babe, do you have the key for the car?
Break. Break. Huh?
Woohoo! Watch where you're going.
Go. Pay attention.
Wanna give it to Daddy?
Give it here, baby.
I
Nope.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Good job. Let's go, girl. Let's go. Where are we going? Say we're going shopping.
That was awesome.
Maverick.
Go down there.
That money.
Let me see. You remember this?
Yeah.
Remember this from the lake?
What's the deal?
Oh,
The tag off.
that's
Oh.
crazy.
Where do you go? You go in the visitors' locker rooms right there. That's where you go to the bathroom.
Yeah, you go there.
Yeah, you go to the locker rooms, go to the bathroom.
Did you go in? With their tickets, you go in a separate entrance. You go through VIP. Smile, baby. Smile.
That's what he said. He goes, there was times, he goes, yeah, he was doing the same thing. He goes, now you play all the time.
Like it. I'm happy that
He goes, you know,
doing
for years I didn't.
something for once.
Because I had so
Like,
much
it's
money.
cool to see it.
And used and some of those farmers, they've got endorsements now from every and a lot.
I'm
of
Ian Captain
some
Put
Crumb.
it in front of the
actually
camera.
paid
Over
their,
here.
for most of their tournaments through shit.
You ready to go, baby?
Ooh.
Before she can really get after it.
This one doesn't have a big mouth. Oh, watch out! Smash my foot!
Whoa. Yep.
She'll figure it out.
She's got her own way.
Are you riding the horsey, sissy? Yay!
I guess I got one monster trick out.
More.
I'm gonna ride this forever. I think I might be riding this.
Look, and it has a brake like your four-wheeler does, so you can stop.
Mangled up and she was there in the sun, like the one side looked like, yeah, she's on the one side of it.
Uh-oh.
making our Christmas memories.